Guys, welcome to YouTube channel again. If you guys are sick of Facebook advertising on your Facebook, and because Facebook always chasing you on your browser, whatever you guys type, and you will see as soon as you go back to your Facebook, you will see Facebook sends you the advertise for the same product you guys are searching on Google or anywhere else. This morning when I opened my Firefox sent me this page and asked me to add this extension. This extension's called Facebook Container. When you install this extension to your Firefox, what's going to happen? This extension is banned Facebook to look at your website or look at where you are searching, and then they can't send you any more advertise. I'll uninstall this, and as you can see, the icon is in here, the extension. And then as you can see, this is my Facebook. And then, for example, if you go to your Amazon, if you search for any product in Amazon, later on you will see the Facebook send you the same advertise. So with this extension in here, it bans the Facebook to not seeing your search from any website or any product. By the way, before I forget, this extension, it works for Instagram as well. It bans Instagram as well on any website you guys do your research or do your shoppings. You don't see any advertise on your Instagram too. And it's very handy tool, and hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Please leave any comment or let me know your feedback about this plugin. You guys have a good day. See ya. Bye. If this is your first time you're coming to visit my channel, please make sure you subscribe my channel. The more people subscribe my channel, encourage me to make more tutorial for you guys. And you guys have a good day, and see you next time for another good tutorial. Bye.